All right, and as God damn, hold on, bro. As I do these aren't tutorials. These are not tutorials. I'm just doing these so I can talk about cutting hair and the experience of doing it. Not like anybody really cares, but I feel like every time I pick up clippers, I'm literally thinking about new ideas, new things to do, and different habits to take on. Um, Cutting hair is not the same anymore. I mean, at least in my room, cutting hair is the same because I'm in a barber suite nowadays, so I'm not really surrounded by different barbers at different times of the day, getting different influences from different people. So I'm cutting hair how I see cutting hair should be. What's it called? That's a good conversation and a nice little natural haircut. No makeup, no online extra pizzazz. Cause every haircut not gonna look fake. Haircuts nowadays, and when I see content being shot, stuff like that, people tend to just fake their content. They tend to fake the actual look of their haircut. Not saying it's a bad thing to do that. You can do whatever you feel like doing under the sun. But haircuts have gone from everybody needs a movie haircut. That's kind of impossible to deal with every other week. At a point in time, you gotta enjoy looking like how you naturally look like, and that's regular, like a regular old dandy guy. You know what I'm saying? It's not a bad thing to be regular. And it's like going back to not every haircut going to be like the best haircut you've ever gotten, because sometimes, most of the time, a haircut gotta depend on like how your week is going too, and the skill of the barber at the same time. Because if you're having a stressed out week and your hair is falling out, your hair is getting weaker because you chose a poor diet earlier in the week, and you see it in your hair. I'm gonna let you know right now, your hair is the biggest communicator. If you're eating the wrong thing, your hair is gonna let you know. If you're doing the wrong thing, your hair is gonna let you know. If you're stressing out too much, your hair is gonna let you know. If you're not breathing right, your hair is gonna let you know. If your hair is not breathing right, it's gonna let you know. It's gonna start dying, like literally. So then, all the times you lose hair and you realize your hair is being reconstructed, you don't really take it serious to the point. So when you get with a barber, you expect them to do miracles because you want to look like Jay-Z, or you want to look like Big Sean when he got his first fresh haircut for the music video, or you want to look like Gucci Mane at all times. And looking like them at all times is impossible because, one, you don't have the money. Two, you don't have their hairlines. Stop bringing me pictures of other people's haircuts. Just you gotta look at yourself in the mirror before you want to come get a haircut. Figure out what you want to do, where you want to get faded, what look is going to be the best for you, and then you're going to be able to do so. Most of the time, everybody wants to look like somebody else when they get a haircut. That shit leads to you wanting to get enhancements. That shit leads to you wanting to get white chalk. People want to look super, super, super fresh every single time, and that's the point of a haircut. But at a point in time, like, how fresh is the actual haircut, and how much makeup are you actually putting on yourself? Like, it gets serious to a point in time. Like, what are you really doing? Are you putting on makeup, or are you just getting a fresh trim because you look out of control? And even the concept of looking out of control, that's a whole different touchy subject to me. But it's like most people just wanting to get like miracle movie haircuts every single time they get a haircut. So that's why they're getting more expensive. You want all these make believe haircuts, and now barbers got to do the job of Hollywood makeup artists. So of course they're gonna want to get paid more, and then it's just gonna boost up the immorality rate of getting a haircut. Everybody feels like they can only or should only get a haircut when they feel like they're a movie star, or where they feel like they need to be a movie star, instead of just getting a haircut so they can feel like they need to feel good one day, or look at themselves in the mirror and remember who they are. Some people still get haircuts to remember who they are. I still have those clients. Like, they need to get a haircut once in a while, once every 2 weeks, just to keep up their like personality, their image, and that's an alright thing, But to get all these makeup haircuts, like, look at this haircut. I did not talk about this haircut not one time, because all he got was all even around with the lineup. Look at this haircut. It took me time, but it didn't take me no time. Like, his haircut literally took about 20-25 minutes. I can do this haircut in 15 minutes if I wasn't recording, or if I wasn't talking to him at the same time. But it's easy to cut hair. I've been cutting hair for 11 years. So when I'm talking about
this haircut stuff, I'm really talking out of experience. I've watched people older than me cut hair for an hour, and all they did was mess Buddy up. And then they didn't throw in hairspray on top of that, so it even made it even look even worse. And it's crazy.